Hello, in this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can activate your HSBC UK debit card so you can start using it for purchases and ATM withdrawals. So first, you will have to follow the activation instructions included with your card. Many UK banks offer activation via the mobile app, online banking, ATM, or phone. Next, open the HSBC UK mobile app or internet banking and find the activation card section under cards or account services. After that, enter the last four digits of your card and any additional verification information. Then, confirm activation. Then, if required, choose or set a PIN at an ATM or through the app. Finally, try a small contactless purchase or ATM withdrawal to verify the card is active. Quick tip: keep the activation sticker information until you confirm that the card works. And that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope this video was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.